Welcome to All Kids TV.
Let's grab our apron, tie it tight, wash our hands, keep them bright. Gather ingredients, 1, 2, 3. Cooking so much fun, come cook with me. Stir, stir, stir the pot. Mix it all, it's getting hot. Chop, chop, chop the veg. Cooking's fun with Baby John, I pledge. Add a pinch of salt, not too much. Measure with care, just a gentle touch. Whisk the eggs, make them fluffy and light. Soon we'll have something yummy to bite. Stir, stir, stir the pot. Mix it all, it's getting hot. Chop, chop, chop the veg. Cooking's fun with Baby John, I pledge. Careful with the stove, it's very hot. Always ask an adult to help a lot. Kitchen's full of yummy smells. Our dish is done, hooray, can't you tell? Stir, stir, stir the pot. Mix it all, it's getting hot. Chop, chop, chop the veg. Cooking's fun with Baby John, I pledge. Now let's taste, what a treat. Cooking with Baby John, isn't it neat? We learned to cook and had so much fun. See you next time, our dish is done.
Hit the bell icon and subscribe for more videos.